Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic differentiation. Given y is equals to x to the power ln x, by using the logarithm, find dy dx and hence prove that x squared y double prime minus x bracket 2 ln x minus 1 multiplied with y prime minus 2y is equals to 0. So there are two parts for these questions. Part number 1, find the dy dx by using the properties of log. So now I'm going to log both sides. So ln y equals to ln x to the power of ln x. So by using the properties of log, we can bring forward the ln x. So we will have ln y equals to ln x bracket ln x. So in here we can simplify and we will have ln y equals to ln x bracket square. Next, what we have to do is to differentiate. So dy dx, differentiate the function ln y with respect to x. So we will have 1 over y, since this is a variable y. So we have to add on dy dx equals to 2 bracket ln x to the power of 1. Differentiate ln x and we will have 1 over x. And differentiate the x, we will have 1. So kindly simplify the situation. So we will have dy dx equals to 2y ln x over x. Next part, we're going to prove that the function can be expressed in this form. So previously we already identified dy dx is equals to 2 ln x y over x. So now my suggestion is to cross multiply the x and we will have x dy dx equals to 2y ln x. The purpose of cross multiplying the value of or the variable of x is to avoid the quotient rule. So now I'm going to find the second derivative and to prove the situation. So now we are going to use the product rule for both sides. So let x as a u, this as a v, again 2y as a u, and ln x as a v. So now we are going to differentiate the situation. So we have dy dx bracket, differentiate the x will be equals to 1 plus copy the x and differentiate the dy dx and we will have second derivative. Next, we are going to shift on the right hand side. So again, we will have ln x and differentiate 2y, we will have 2 dy dx plus copy the 2y, we are going to differentiate ln x and we will have 1 over x and then bracket 1, because when we differentiate the x we will have 1. So kindly simplify the situation. So we will have y prime plus x y double prime equals to 2 ln x y prime plus 2y over x. So kindly refer to the function. We have x squared and y prime. So kindly refer to the function and rearrange the situation. So first we have x y double prime followed by plus y prime. Rearrange the situation and we will have negative 2 ln x y prime minus 2y over x equals to 0. Next, I'm going to multiply all the terms with x so that I can obtain 2y. So after I multiply all the terms with x, we will have x squared y double prime plus xy prime minus 2x ln x y prime minus 2y, which is equals to 0. So kindly refer to the situation. So now we already have x squared y double prime. Next we have negative 2y. So what we have to do is to factor out the negative x and the y prime. So x squared y double prime minus x bracket. At the end we have y prime. So if we factor out the negative x and the y prime, so we will have 2 ln x minus 1. So minus with 2y equals to 0. So from here, kindly refer to the function and we notice that it is the same. So we can say proven. So here we are, and thanks for watching.